Hello everyone, here is Juju. This is the last tutorial in Reason. Today we will introduce few toppings that were easy find in the bubble tea shop. The bubble milk tea, which is most popular drink in the world, is composed of tapioca pearls and the milk tea. We have run up the most popular boba tea toppings and provide suggestions on the best boba tea flavors to pair them with. So you can create a gourmet bubble tea menu. First, we will introduce tapioca pearls, the original topping and is most popular among all drinks for its versatility. So it's made from tapioca starch and cooked in the brown sugar. These chewing pearls can pair with any kind of drink. However, a little caution of the pearls is we don't store in the refrigerator, because if you store in the refrigerator, it will become hard to chew in. However, if you want to know how to cook the pearls, you can click the link to see our first tutorial. The second one, we will introduce the popping pulpa. So unlike the traditional tapioca pearls, the popping pulpa has the gel-like thick skin and with the juice inside that bursts with squirted. In addition to being used in place of traditional drinks, popping boba used in smoothie, slush, and as a topping for the frozen yogurt. A little tip of enjoying the popping boba: we can keep stored in refrigerator before we use it, so the taste of the skin will become crispy and it matches with fruit and protein. Pudding is the one of most popular topping for the bubble tea shop. It's a soft food made from mixture of milk, eggs, or other ingredients such as flour or cornstarch. The combination of the sweet and the creamy egg pudding with the fresher tea base and create a harmonious blend of flavors and texture that is sure to satisfy any bubble tea instructions. And we recommend pair the egg pudding with any kind of milk tea. Fresh jelly. So it's also known as herbal jelly. This jelly typically displays the herbal taste with a hint of mint, making it a refreshing addition to any drinks. Now, it has the flavor between luscious and mint with a smoky undertone. Now, this topping is simple to make and offer a low-calorie alternative to traditional tapioca pearls. It has the lowest calorie among the items let's introduce today. If you want to know how to make the pudding and the herbal jelly, you can click the link and see our previous video. Coconut jelly. So it's produced by fermentation of coconut water and it transcolored, chewing, and has the milk flavor. There are many types of the flavor, including like lychee, green apple, strawberry, and also coffee flavor. The juice texture adds a fun element to the drink, so it creates a unique mouthfeel that enhances the overall bubble tea experience. Crystal boba. Crystal boba, also known as agar boba, is a chewing boba tea topping, but with a lower calorie alternative to the traditional boba. Its translucent white appearance adds soft jelly texture and makes them delicious and fun to eat as the black tapioca pearls. It's made from the plants derived with the agar powder, so as an ingredient as plant-based, they are safe for vegetarians and vegans. In addition, Crystal boba retain their texture, and any add flavored batter can add to a drink. Aloe. The aloe jelly is a popular ingredient in the bubble tea industry that adds a refreshing and soothing element to the drink. It's made from a jar of the aloe vera plant. The list topping often compared to with ingredients like tea or fruit tea. Aloe vera jelly is marketed for its health benefits and is believed to support the healthy digestion. So that's the end of our tutorial today. There are different kinds of toppings for the bubble tea shop you can choose from. So it's fun to try out all of them. Like this one is my favorite drink, the taro milk tea with the pudding. It's great to have friends over and try different toppings together too. So if you want to know more information of our tutorial, you can subscribe our channel. See ya!